Hello, Dr. George Bobbitt here, chiropractor for the last 25 years, certified instructor with the Concept Therapy Institute. I want to share with you some details about the upcoming course in concept therapy. Now, remember, the word concept therapy simply means working with fixed ideas that land in our mind that are creating the life that we have. And that life can be constructive or destructive. Some of us love the life that we're creating, so you want to build on those. And some of us would like to change the life that we're creating or has been created for us. So that's the overall idea, is to know thyself, work on fixed ideas that are in here that are impacting our physical health and then affecting our life. So here's an overview of what we'll be discussing in this concept therapy course. I'm going to take it from a healthcare practitioner standpoint because this is what I do day in day. The first one is we're going to outline the creative process. Create what? Creating health in our life and health in our environment. Sometimes you hear the word manifestation, but we don't know what that means. And so if you come in with this idea, I want to be healthy. I want, let's say, more communication in my life. I would like to be able to exercise more. You have something that you want or need. We're going to show you how to take that and how do you go through a process to ask quality questions, because it's the quality of questions you ask that dictate the quality of the life that you have. We're going to help you with quality questions, give you a process so that we can take this state that's not desired and bring you towards a desired state. Once we have that, then we're going to teach you how this human, what's our human nature. We're going to analyze it in detail as to what makes up us. If the big idea is to know thyself and who we are and what we're doing, it may be wise to understand what makes this up. Part of that is the mind and how it works. Part of it's the body. Most of that is the impact of the body and the mind working together. And then how do those interact? How do the thoughts become the things that then create the health we desire or creating the health that we don't want? Then we're going to look at how the human personality works. There's a direct relationship between the thoughts that come in, essentially the commands that come in here, that then get placed and manifested in our body and then in our family, in our work life, in our environment. If you can understand the relationship that something is originating ideas and something's carrying them out. Now, if that's you originating the idea, then we're going to help you unoriginate it if you don't desire that idea or that health condition. But oftentimes, what you'll learn is someone else or something else is originating ideas into your mind, which then manifest in your life. And you're not even in control of that and you don't even know. So we're going to talk about that as it relates to health. And then we're going to teach the natural laws. If you understood that there are laws of the body, and if you follow these laws, then there's a propensity towards health. And if you violate the laws, there's a propensity towards sickness. We're also going to talk about the universal laws. We know these, we're just not aware that we know these. One of those is, how about the law of reap and sow, or the law of cause and effect? So every cause has an effect and every effect has a cause. And if you can identify those to the best of your ability, you can then begin to construct the life that you desire and get rid of the life you don't. When we violate law, when we violate principles, we get the side effects of that. So understanding that as it relates to your health may be of value. So we're going to teach, there's a lot more about this, but we're going to teach you how essentially to become healthier in all aspects of your life, the mechanisms involved, the principles involved, and then get you to understand, how do I reason correctly? Because incorrect reasoning is creating the majority of all of our sicknesses and disease. If you have an interest, then give us a call, sign up. We'll see you then.